Alright, so last week we decided we were finally over our recliners. They were peeling like crazy. Got rid of them.
Got rid of them.
We put back in the couch that we had in here a couple of years ago, and while we were doing that, we decided to get rid of the desk as well.
Yeah, the desk wasn't really working out for us anymore because we wanted to have a place to have people over, a place to sit and have a regular meal, which we could kind of do with the desk.
We designed it so that we could, but...
This is our current setup. Right now we have a love seat. With the love seat is this ottoman that has storage. Can you Vanna wipe that for us? Oh, that's beautifully done. Okay.
I gotta take a nap on the clock, sorry.
Love seat, and then we have the original table actually that came with the camper with the dinette. We kept the ottoman that came with the dinette that goes against the wall, and it's sitting right here. Stuff's in the way here.
Oh, sorry. Right
here we go. Ottoman, the table, and then I have a computer chair where I sit and edit. So it's not ideal. We don't actually hate the way that it looks right now. It just
it's not very aesthetically pleasing.
Not very
It's a little hodgepodge together.
So we've been mulling it over the last week or so about what it is exactly that we want to do with this space. And we thought, who better to ask than you guys, our RV community, what do you think we should do with this space?
You guys have given us such great ideas and advice over the years, and Mike and I have just been going back and forth about this space, and we're like, why don't we ask you? You guys are our RV family, you know so much about this world, and we appreciate that so much. So, if you were to rebuild this space, what would you do? I will caveat that and say, we don't really want a dinette. We got rid of our original dinette. We've looked at other ones, and I don't think it's the best choice for us.
Yeah, we do not want to go back to a traditional dinette. We are open to suggestions, including the best suggestion so far, which is that we should put a jacuzzi in here.
Thank you. Whoever commented that last week, Mike told me about this, and he said, Steph, I think we need to build a jacuzzi on our slide. And I said, what?
So let us know what you guys think we should do with this space.
Please and thank you.
I need to reorganize the wiring. We got some stuff going on today that we're going to show you. But for now, if you guys wouldn't mind, let us know what you think.
Drop it in the comments below. We appreciate y'all so much. Life is just like any other lifestyle, any other home. There's going to be upkeep and maintenance, and even though last week we spent tons of time doing maintenance, we still have a lot to do on the camper today.
In case you didn't know, if you have a standard, what's kind of the standard AC unit in most campers now, it probably has a reusable filter on it. This unit has two filters on either side. This is the Coleman Mach. And what you want to do is pop off each one of these plastic covers, and then right inside here you're going to have a screen. And it has been a couple weeks since I've cleaned this off, and I wanted to be completely open and honest with you guys about this, but they do need cleaned every week or two, especially in the warmer months. So those come right back out. And all you need to do is take this over to your kitchen sink, or you can do it outside if you don't want the lint in it, and then rinse them out in the sink.
While Mike's working on this project, I can go prep for the next one, defrosting the fridge and freezer.
Oh.
Yeah, it needs done. I think it's been like several months since we've done it. If you live in a higher humidity spot too, that ice builds up a lot quicker. And we're kind of in a humid spot right now, so.
Yeah, for sure.
Yep, I'm gonna go grab the cooler because this is the way that I've found in all of my expertise over there.
The one time I did it, I found this trick.
This is how Mike has taught me to do it. So I'm gonna go grab the cooler, get it in here, and we'll start unloading everything out of the fridge. If you're wondering why I'm drying my hair in front of the fridge, it's because I'm not. What we do is get everything unloaded, turn off the fridge, get everything unloaded into coolers, and then we use like a hair dryer and just time to let this melt and kind of chunk it away to get all of this out. So that's the fun part. Lots of towels is a key for me because I make a mess. So I've got a towel on the floor, I've got a couple more behind me. So yeah, ready to do this? I will say be careful. This one has rounded edges, but be careful using anything with a sharp edge because you don't want to damage the back of the freezer. This is why I put towels down, because I'm flicking ice everywhere as I speak. People have said for years, they've told us you should do this, and we've never done it. But if you put this along the back, that fits so perfect.
It fits really well in there, doesn't it?
So, and then as your freezer starts to frost and starts to get ice in the back of it, in theory it should go on the front of this, and you should just be able to grab the corner and. So stick around for the next time we have to do this, and we'll see if it actually works.
Hopefully.
I was about to say we probably need to go grocery shopping, but one thing we don't need to go grocery shopping for.
Salsa.
Is there a food you guys have in your camper at all times, in your home at all times? Because I can tell you ours. Doesn't matter if like we haven't gone grocery shopping in weeks.
We always have chips and salsa.
We always have chips and salsa. Always.
Okay.
Is there something in your house? Let us know if there's one food that you always have.
All right.
All right, ready to be done?
I think that worked out timing wise.
I
Because
think the filters look dry.
AC filters are done.
Here, let me just slide them up in here for us.
Yeah, why don't you get those?
Hey, actually I might be able to.
No way.
Yeah, huh? Wait, does it matter which way they go? Yeah, this way. Oh, good.
She's so good, guys. She's so tall. I can't believe how tall you are.
Oh!
Okay, there's that one. Oh. Ow! Ah. Dude, right on my foot. Take this.
Are you okay?
Dude, right on my foot.
Alright, you want to get this one since you're taller?
Alright. It just goes right up there. Like that. So easy, guys. There we go. Okay. And then this end in. There you
Honestly,
go.
it looks a lot better. Here, una más.
Oh, screen cover for this one, like so. Okay.
Looks good, babe.
Okay.
Thank you.
There you have it. That's just something that we do. That stuff probably needs done quarterly and weekly.
And yeah.
With the RV, air filter should probably be cleaned weekly or bi-weekly. And then I would say to defrost your fridge probably every 3 months or so.
Depending on what type of climate and how often you use it too.
If you're weekenders and you turn off your fridge when you go home, you're good.
All right, is that it for today?
I think that's it for today. You can enjoy the rest of your day off.
To relax.
Okay, I give you the rest of the day off.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let us know what you guys think about the slide too. We're going to be doing that sooner rather than later.
Yep.
We want to get stuff moving on that. Let us know what you guys think about the slide, and we'll see you guys next time.